Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a web button in Adobe Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document with a suitable size for your web button and set the resolution to 72 ppi and the color mode to RGB. Choose a foreground color for your button and fill the layer with it, and also add a layer style to give your button a 3D style layer, and also adjust the bevel and emboss setting to your liking, and also add some text to your button using a suitable font. Center the text horizontally and vertically on the button and add some effects to the text. Create a new layer